Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G31, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So we got two ways. I'll show you both. The first one that just you should go to the settings application, and now just tap on the display section. Here go to the advanced options and tap to the wallpaper. Here you can choose your new wallpaper from the live wallpapers, from the photos from your device, or from the wallpapers default one. For example, we can go with this live folder, and now just select one from these wallpapers, for example this one, and we want to set the wallpaper on our lock screen. So tap there and tap here to OK, and again tap to the lock screen, and as you can see, we got here the message that this wallpaper set successfully to our lock screen. And as you can see, we just has changed successfully our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we got the second way. Just hold for a while your main screen or another one, that doesn't matter. Just hold for a while and go here to the wallpaper section, and by the same way you can select your device wallpapers and the styles one, and by the same way just you'll go, for example, to the ears folder. Now just tap here and select the section of wallpaper, what you'll see on your lock screen. And now just tap here to OK, tap to lock screen, and as you can see, we got here the message, and I will just check that. Yes, can you see, we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.